My name's Lisa Wells, second generation Geneva Flooring. My dad taught my uncle flooring installation 30 years ago when my dad and mom opened color tile and classic floors in North County, San Diego. My uncle and mom opened Geneva Flooring with Pro Hardwood in this location in 1999. I came along in 2001 when I graduated high school. My mom and I ran this company for the last 22 years together, and Carrie came on board with us 10 years ago. We've been working together intimately in this space, honing our craft for a long time and gaining all of those reputable reviews that you see online. I have installers that I've worked with for a very long time, and we are building our team here together. We are 9 strong right now, and everybody here is a highly trained professional. We have the crews that we've worked with forever, and we're here to give you that consistent Geneva Flooring experience that you read about online. Come into our showroom or look at our website online. We've now partnered with FSU, Flooring Stores United, to bring you exclusive products like Paradiso, Doma, Proximity Mills, and Newton, so they can address your luxury, style, value, and performance needs. Come into the showroom or start reading up on it online. There are blogs and personal blogs from me and blogs from each of the product lines so that you can get familiar with what your needs are and what would be a good fit for you. So come into our showroom anytime, Monday through Saturday, and you can work with a educated human being that wants to show you the individual samples. You can check out samples, or you can order samples for $3 a piece online to be sent to your home. Give us a call anytime and we can start the conversation about the best way to service you. Thank you.